Welcome today in front of XIAOMI 11T, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. For now, we got here the function when we pressing 2 times on the lock button, we can turn on the torch, or also the second one, that's where we pressing 2 times on the volume down button, we can open the camera. So I'll show you how you can disable this function. For now, just go to the settings and scroll down with your finger to the additional settings. Now just go here to the gesture shortcuts, and here you got the turn on torch. Now just tap on the switcher, and as can you see, we deactivated this function now. And just right now go back, and here you can see that when we double pressing on the volume down button, when our screen is locked, we can launch the camera, and now we can check that. So as can you see, we are deactivated this function too. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.